Hi, Mike Panja here, and today I'm going to present an original creation of mine, which I call Neptune's Turban. It consists basically of a shrimp and scallop combination wrapped in a thin strip of filleted fish. Very nice. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to make it and enjoy it. Here are the ingredients for Neptune's Turban. First, you make a roux, which of course is nothing more than a tablespoon of flour cooked in a tablespoon of melted butter. Let that simmer and thicken for a bit. Then you'll add a half cup of chicken broth and a quarter cup of white wine, a dry white wine. Sprinkle of salt, maybe a third of a teaspoon or so. Simmer it, let it thicken, stir it. Once it's simmered for a few minutes and you see it's thickened, you can turn off the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Now, to make the turbans, we need some long pieces of filleted fish. Salmon is a good candidate because it has a thin strip at the bottom of each fillet, which conveniently can be cut into 2 strips, and it is long, so it works well to make the turban. You can use other types of fish. You can use a striped bass fillet, which is a rockfish in Maryland for some reason, or flounder, a large flounder, anything where you can get a long strip. And if you can't get a long enough strip, you can use shorter strips and pin them together with toothpicks. Meanwhile, if you use my version with the salmon, you're not going to waste the rest of it. You'll still be able to cut nice thick portions out of the main fillet. Now, back to our cooled combination here. Now we'll add the scallops, add the shrimp, stir it well so that the roux coats all parts of the mixture. Now we'll fill each turban with the combination of scallops and shrimp. Meanwhile, of course, you've preheated your oven to 400 degrees. A little sprinkle of breadcrumbs on top. Into the 400-degree oven they go, and we'll give it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they're nicely baked. Out they come, and we're ready, just about ready to serve. Well, there you have it, Neptune's Turban. A real luxury item, something fabulous. You're really going to like it if you make it. I hope you've subscribed if you like what I'm doing, and that you will also share this video with any friends that you know that are interested in food and cooking. Thank you again for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next time.